Hello everyone. I wanted to show you my 1970 Ford 4400. I kind of wanted to do a little documentary because this is the last day I'm going to own this tractor. This tractor has been very good to me. Mowed a lot of fields with it. Done a lot of work with it over the years. And I decided to let it go. It's a 3-cylinder gas. It's always been dependable. Don't know how many of these tractors are still going, but for sure there's quite a few of them still going. Parts are relatively easy to get. All right, I want to start the tractor. This thing starts up pretty easy. As you can tell, runs very good. It's an 8-speed. There you have it, my 1970 Ford 4400 3-cylinder gas. I think it's a 60 horse. All the lights work on it. Used to run a wood chipper off of it.